Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with another razor review where I attempt to answer the question, yeah, but does it shave good? Recently, I picked up this very inexpensive Lord razor from Amazon for 7 USD. Now, Lord has been in business since I think about the 1930s. They are out of Alexandria, Egypt, and they make shave products as well for or brands for Big Ben and Shark, and in the past they've also made for Wilkinson Sword. So check this one out. Obviously, I haven't used it yet. Get it opened up, and then we're going to do a multi-pass shave and let you know what I think of it. Today, for the first time, I am going with, I recently got this as well, Adopted Acres Redwood Rhapsody. I will be doing a full shave review of this in the next few weeks, but this is tallow based. Bowl in the sink, and in there I have soaking Samog 830 boar hair. Been a long time since I've used that brush. I pretty much now use almost exclusively synthetics. It's just what I've gotten into. So, also, a few weeks ago on one of the Facebook shave groups, I asked you guys what you thought of Lord blades, because I've never used them before. And the vast majority of you said you really like them. So, instead of going with a known blade, we're going with this one to see what it shaves like. So, perforated packaging, love it, easy to get into. Pack of blades, that's 5 pack of blades. And let's find out what we get for a razor. Right off the top, very, very skinny. Holy Lord, is that thing skinny. Probably at least a 4-inch handle on that. 3-piece razor. Little squeaky. Raised label in the head. I think maybe if they'd gone with a laser etching, it would have looked a little bit cheaper, but anyway, let's find out what we get. Put it on the kitchen scale. First, in ounces. 1.6 ounces. Now, let's convert this over to grams and see what we get. About 45 grams. So, again, very, very light, very skinny, at least a 4-inch handle. So, I'm going to soak this in the barbicide, and then while I'm doing that, I'm going to get my lather built up. Going to load it with a brand new Lord blade, first time ever using these, and do a multi-speed, multi-pass, and let you know what I think. Hang on, guys. So, we are back. Got our lather built up. And what I will say is that is a thirsty, thirsty soap. It takes a lot of water. It'll hold a lot of water. Scent, absolutely fantastic. Again, full review coming on this soon. Anyway, got our Lord $7 razor. Soaked in the barbicide, soaked with a brand new Lord blade. So, wet our face, multi-pass shave, and we'll go from there. So we are back and got her cleaned out. That is damn near BBS, and I had a lot of growth to go through. So let's take our alum to it. This one happens to be my PAA alum. Comes with a barber band because alum, when it gets wet, is slippery as hell. Keeps you from slipping out of your hand. Docking station so it'll dry. Now this will help soothe the skin and also gives you feedback. It's going to sting if you've done any abrasions. I think that's just an age spot there because I am getting older. No burn whatsoever. And again, damn near BBS. So take the matching Adopted Acres Redwood Rhapsody aftershave. Is this alcohol based? Probably. Oh, I've never used one with a squirt on it before, so that'll be neat. Great scent. More of a fall scent, I would say, but I'm really liking this. So, anyway, guys, what do I think of the $7 USD Lord Razor that I got from Amazon? What do I think? I'm surprised. I don't like the skinny handle. That's just preference. I don't like that long handle, again, at least 4-inch. I don't like the aesthetics of that raised head when laser etching would have made it look so much better. I don't know what any of this stuff costs. But for a 3-piece razor, oh, you can see the lather slots on there. I had no issues with this thing clogging up whatsoever, and again, a lot of growth to go through. Really surprisingly smooth, I would say on the very strong side of mild. But again, I've got razors I paid more for that I like less. And it would be nothing to take this handle off and put another handle on there that you like better, that you probably already got in your collection. But the head for $7? Again, I don't know what TSA regulations are, but throw it in your DOP kit, throw it in the air, and travel with it if you lose it, whatever. But in a pinch, wow. I'm actually really kind of surprised. Not a handle I like, but the shave itself, really impressed with it. So anyway, that's going to wrap this one up. So I hope you found it informative. Let me know down below if you find my videos useful, informative. Anyway, yeah, we're going to wrap this one up. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. You guys take care of yourselves, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.